Another good thing about this system is if you go to your iTunes, if you just have a look at there, the red triangle with the 3 red circles, just turn it down. But there you go, there's a tick next to sync. So if I go over to the radio and I click auxiliary, there you go. It's that's saying play music from device. However, if I click it again,
no USB device.
USB. So all I'm saying is if you click auxiliary and you still can't see your phone, just click it again, because there is a USB that you can navigate to. So play music from Bluetooth device. Now if I turn this up a little bit and then turn it up here,
hard. We want to.
Oh, that's playing an audio book. So we'll just put it on record, and then nice car record there. So that's how you can play music through it.